everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room, and also welcome to another Friday Fabulousness where I share my recent finds, whether they be pre-loved or brand new. First thing up is this pink tank dress that I'm wearing. It's from Victoria's Secrets. They did a collaboration with Love Shack Fancy, and of course they sold out in Canada right away. So this was the only thing I was able to get. But I mean, I love t-shirt type of, you know, tank dresses. So I was happy to get this pink one. Okay, now guys, can you guess what this is? Louis Vuitton. I finally got it, guys. I finally got the Toiletry 26 in the Tahitienne collection from 2017. I could never find the Neverfull, so you know what, guys? I think this actually does it for me. I'm very happy to have this piece. It is in excellent condition. The pull tab zipper, everything is excellent. And the reseller also sent in this organizer, which I didn't even know that they came with organizers, guys. Here is the beautiful, I'm gonna say ballerine pink interior. And I'm gonna leave this organizer in there because it really seems to keep the shape. But just a beautiful piece that I'm actually so happy to have. And I can fit this in my, you know, my tote bags, things like that. I did notice this. Oh, and it came with like the care booklet, came with the tags, things like that. So, you know, the little extras like I like to get when you get pre-loved. And also, this organizer came with a chain, but I don't think that I'm gonna wear it like as a purse, but you know what, never say never. It's actually a nice, it's not a Louis Vuitton chain obviously, right? But that was a nice thing that she did, that she put the insert with the chain. I guess I could try it on for you guys, right? So this here would be like crossbody like this. Not too bad, but yeah, I mainly bought it to fit in my tote, so we'll see. But you know, so that was a very good find. I love the design on it. I love Damier Azur. So I was really happy to get this. My next Louis Vuitton. Guys, when it rains, it pours, right? Oh my God. And I didn't even know I wanted this. The mini pochette, guys. Is that not so adorable? I think this is going to replace the mini pochette I've had since, I don't know, 2010. Again, with my favorite, the ballerine pink interior and the gold hardware. We have a pull tab. It's like all the little details that Louis Vuitton does is just fabulous. The tag there. I am so happy to have this. I am definitely, because I do use the mini pochettes, you know, catch-all makeup, you know, what have you. So this is definitely one of my fabulous finds. Next. Okay, guys. Now this, let's step back and get all proper here. My sweater. It is fall now, so it's getting a bit chilly. Guys, does anybody remember this bag? Louis Vuitton Hobo, Louis Vuitton Tournon Hobo bag. I think this has to be one of my luxurious Louis Vuitton fines. It is made from the calfskin leather. It is actually so soft, supple, luxurious. The handle reminds me of the, is it the Artsy? Kind of like that. But this one is actually really comfortable. And then you have the beautiful gold hardware. And you've got the logo right up front. And then it has 4 feet at the bottom, which is, you know, always a bonus for any bag. And I just love how it has these two little knot details. But can you guess what is really special about this bag? Oh my gosh, guys, it is completely leather lined. So that's why I'm saying this has to be one of my most luxurious Louis Vuitton bags, in that beautiful ballerine pink. And you can see it's in excellent pristine condition. And then you have the tag right there. I love how the contrast is. The zipper is super smooth, and it is just a, oh my gosh, I just love this bag. It's perfect for fall, and of course I've always liked hobo bags, but when I seen this one, I don't remember this collection when it came out. This bag came out in 2015, guys, so it's already 10 years old. And it came with the box, the dust bag, everything like that. So it's, to me, it's like whoever owned this did not use it very often. And it is about 13.1 inches across. It's 11 inches high, and then it is 5.5 inches depth. So it's a really good sized bag. And this is how it looks on me, on my shoulder. I wear my hobo bags like this. Okay, and I'll also show you my outfit of the day. Let's just bring you guys down here a bit. I am wearing my Coach wedges. Really like these. Even though it is fall, it is still quite warm here. It is cool in the morning, and then it gets really hot in the afternoon. Thanks for joining me on my Friday Fabulousness. And if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.